MICROJIG's FitFinder half gauge makes it simple and easy to mark out the centers for your turning projects. Simply measure your stock with P2 sitting on top, then hold the stock underneath P3 and mark the center of your stock on the bottom of P1. Square stock is marked twice off the same setup. Even marking out rectangular stock only requires one extra step. Just measure and mark the halfway point for one dimension, then reset the FitFinder to mark the halfway point for the second dimension. These two lines will intersect at the center point. No actual measuring is needed. Centering round stock is not much different than square. Just make two lines approximately perpendicular to each other. That'll still be your center. I've been marking in pencil in this video, so it shows up better. But using a marking knife or scratch awl will be more accurate. Whatever you use to mark the centers, the FitFinder half gauge from MICROJIG will make it easy and quick in any shape stock up to 3 inches thick.